Good morning, everybody. I am P. Ramesh from AIDS department. As a video recording previous classes, we have discussed about CO1 related to introduction of cloud computing. The continuation of CO1 today we'll see about NIST cloud computing reference architecture. It defines 5 major performance. Number 1 is a cloud provider. Number 2 is a cloud carrier. Number 3 is a cloud broker. Number 4 is a cloud auditor. Number 5 is a cloud consumer. In the conceptual reference model, we can identify the cloud consumer, a cloud provider, the cloud broker, and cloud auditor, and with the cloud carrier. See here, the cloud consumer, in this architecture, in this conceptual reference model, we can identify the cloud consumer. Cloud consumer is those who are going to use the cloud for that particular environment. They are a cloud consumer. They can avail the facilities through the cloud provider. So the cloud provider, so many cloud providers are available, like Amazon Web Service, and then Google service providers, and then Amazon, that is the AWS, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft Azure. Like that, so many cloud providers available. So from that, the cloud broker can provide the facilities to the cloud consumer that can be audited by the cloud auditors. In this, the cloud provider, the service orchestration or infrastructure as a service, a platform as a service, and software as a service, they can provide these services by the help of a service layer. And then there will be a resource abstraction and control layer. So here they will provide by using this layer, they will provide the resource and do the control operation. And then physical resource layer, by the help of the physical resource layer, they can provide the hardware and the facility to the cloud consumer. Then cloud service management can be made by the help of a business support, a provisioning and configuration, and portability and interoperability. See here, the security and privacy also controlled by the cloud provider. These entire operations are performed by the cloud provider. The cloud broker will take the agency from the cloud provider. That means they take a distributed operation. Based on that, they will do the service intermediation. Then they will provide the service aggregation and the service arbitrage between the cloud provider and the cloud consumer. Okay. So here the cloud auditor perform the security audit between the cloud consumer, a cloud provider, and cloud broker. And then it provides the privacy impact audit, and it provides the performance audit of the cloud service. See here, the cloud carrier denotes in green color. The cloud carrier is nothing but a communication path between a cloud service provider and a cloud consumer, or cloud broker and cloud consumer. Now we will see in detail a cloud consumer, a person or organization that maintains a business relationship with and uses a service from a cloud providers. And cloud provider is a person, organization, or entity responsible for making a service available to interested parties. The services may be in the form of infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. The next one is a cloud auditor, what just now we have discussed, a party that can conduct independent assessment of cloud services, information system operations, performance and security of the cloud implementation. Next one is a cloud broker, an entity that manages the use, performance and delivery of cloud services and negotiates relationship between a cloud providers and cloud consumers. Cloud carrier is an intermediary that provides the connectivity and transport of cloud services from cloud providers to the cloud consumers. It may be an internet network, a telecommunication and other access devices, service level agreements. And here, in this picture shows the interaction between the actors in cloud computing. Here the actors are a cloud consumer, cloud auditor, cloud provider and cloud broker. The cloud carrier are used to connect, establish a connection between the cloud provider to the cloud consumer. The blue color of line denotes the communication path between a cloud provider and consumer. Cloud provider and cloud consumer. Then violet color denotes the communication path for a cloud auditor and communication path for the cloud auditor to call the audit information. And then the next one is silver color denotes the communication path for cloud broker to provide service to a cloud consumer. This is a communication between the cloud broker and cloud consumer. Okay, the cloud carrier is, as we have discussed, that is a telecommunication line or internet line. So by using that, the communication established. So this picture shows how the actors do the interaction. The next one is a cloud consumer. When you want to avail the facilities, they can approach the cloud broker, and then cloud broker may have already a communication. Then they maybe have the distribution from different cloud providers, cloud provider and cloud provider tool like like Amazon, like Microsoft. They may have the distribution operation. By the help of that, they will do the support to the cloud consumer. And then next one is a cloud consumer and a cloud provider and a cloud carrier. Between that, they have the service level agreement to provide the services. The usage scenario for cloud auditors are the cloud auditors perform the auditing operation between a cloud consumer and a cloud provider.